Common respiratory diseases. Asthma. Asthma is a chronic disease that causes periodic inflammation and swelling in the air passages. During an asthma attack, patients may experience chest tightness, breathlessness, and wheezing. Medications and lifestyle changes can help manage this condition. Cause. Air pollutants and allergens can trigger an asthma attack. Treatment. Inhalers with bronchodilators and corticosteroids are commonly prescribed to dilate the airways and provide relief. Bronchitis. Bronchitis is a respiratory infection where the lining of the bronchi becomes inflamed. As the irritated membrane swells, it narrows or shuts off the bronchial passages, causing breathlessness and coughing spells. Cause. This condition can be caused by a virus or bacteria. Air pollution and smoking can also lead to bronchitis. Treatment. Drinking plenty of fluids, eating a well-balanced diet, frequent hand washing and adequate rest can help prevent and improve bronchitis. Pneumonia. Pneumonia is a respiratory infection caused by bacteria. The infection causes the air sacs to become inflamed and fill with fluid or pus, leading to chest pain, chills, and high fever. Cause. Mainly caused by bacteria inhaled through air or by contact. Treatment. Antibiotics, such as penicillin, are used for treatment. Tuberculosis TB. Tuberculosis TB is a respiratory infection caused by bacteria that induce continuous coughing. The infected person suffers from continuous cough, low fever, chest pain, and weight loss. Cause. Caused by bacteria that can spread by air, dust, or sputum. Treatment. The BCG vaccine and antibiotics are used for treatment. Chapter summary. Respiration is a process that involves taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide to produce energy. Humans use their respiratory system to breathe and carry out cellular respiration. The respiratory system consists of the nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli. Breathing involves inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. External respiration, breathing, and internal respiration, cellular respiration are two main stages. In cellular respiration, glucose is oxidized to release energy, carbon dioxide, and water. Aerobic respiration uses oxygen and produces more energy than anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration occurs without oxygen and produces less energy. Common respiratory diseases include asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, and tuberculosis. Gas exchange in the alveoli allows oxygen to enter the blood and carbon dioxide to be exhaled. Breathing involves movements of the diaphragm and the rib cage to draw air in and out of the lungs.